Alright, today I'm going to show you 2 ways to cut an avocado. There's probably more, but these are the 2 that I know and use most frequently. So, cut it along its axis, vertical axis, twist, right? Now here you have the pit, and if I cut this more evenly, it would be easier, but this avocado is ripe enough that it should work.
It's hard to do with that knife.
There you go. Pop it right out. So you could do it, you can do it this way, where you take a spoon, you take the edge of the spoon, and you could even run the knife around first if you wanted to, but like I said, this avocado is very ripe. And then you can take the, you go around the stem there, you take the flesh out by kind of scooping it. And this is nice if you want to do a presentation. You want a nice whole avocado half to look at like that. Or you do it my way, like if you're going to eat the avocado, I use the skin as a bowl. I cut long ways, like that. I cut lengthways, like that. And then I already have diced avocado, right? It's already diced. Now, or of course you can always dice it like that. But this also serves as a serving bowl. So that's it. 2 ways to do avocado. Thanks.